Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Today, I want to share something truly special with you. Have you ever noticed how sometimes a cat comes close to you out of nowhere? Well, did you know that it might be a sign from Allah? Yes, indeed. There are 5 beautiful messages from Allah that we can receive when a cat approaches us. Stay tuned as we explore these divine messages together. Let's dive in and uncover the wisdom that these furry little friends bring into our lives. Bismillah, let's begin. An invitation to show kindness. When a cat approaches you, it can be seen as an invitation to show kindness. In Islamic teachings, every act of kindness, no matter how small, is significant and rewarded by Allah. Cats, being gentle and affectionate creatures, often seek human companionship and care. This encounter is an opportunity for you to embody the principles of mercy and compassion that are so deeply rooted in Islam. Showing kindness to a cat can take many forms. It might be as simple as offering a gentle stroke, providing some food, or ensuring it has a safe place to rest. These small acts of kindness not only benefit the animal, but also bring immense rewards to you. The Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, emphasized kindness to animals, highlighting that every living being is a creation of Allah and deserves to be treated with respect and care. This moment is also a reminder of the broader principle of kindness in Islam. It encourages you to extend your compassion beyond just humans to all of Allah's creations. By treating a cat with kindness, you are practicing humility and recognizing the value of all life. This act can help you develop a more empathetic and caring attitude, which is essential in your interactions with others. Furthermore, showing kindness to a cat can be a reflection of your inner character and spiritual state. It is an opportunity to act selflessly, putting the needs of another being before your own. This selflessness is a core aspect of Islamic teachings, where the well-being of others is often placed alongside or even above your own. In essence, when a cat comes close to you, it is a gentle nudge from Allah to practice kindness and compassion. It is a reminder that every creature, no matter how small, deserves care and respect. This interaction can enrich your soul, bringing you closer to the principles of mercy and compassion that Allah loves and rewards. In recent days, the violent and brutal attacks in Palestine, especially in Gaza, are heartbreaking for everyone. One should not remain silent about this cruelty that kills innocent civilians and causes great suffering to children and families. We must clearly state that we stand against such abnormal humanitarian attacks and stand with our Palestinian brothers. My request to all brothers who watch this video is to support our Palestinian brothers. As announced by Free Palestine in the comments, we must make our voices heard in unity and solidarity and shout out our support against oppression. You can help more people reach it by subscribing to our channel, liking and sharing our video. I am waiting for your support to show our support to the oppressed and strong together. May God help our Palestinian brothers. Our prayers are direct. Let's not forget that the voice of an oppressed person can be the echo of the whole world, with greetings and prayers, a sign of comfort and peace. When a cat comes close to you, it can be seen as a sign of comfort and peace. Cats are known for their calm and soothing presence. In Islamic tradition, cats hold a special place of respect and affection. Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, himself had a deep love for cats and often spoke about their gentle nature. When a cat chooses to come near you, it may be Allah's way of providing you with a moment of tranquility amidst the chaos of daily life. This feline companion brings with it a sense of calm that can help to soothe your mind and heart. It is a gentle reminder from Allah to take a break from your worries and to find peace in the simple moments of life. Moreover, the presence of a cat can remind you of the importance of being present and appreciating the small blessings around you. In a world where we are often caught up in the hustle and bustle, A cat's peaceful demeanor encourages us to slow down and find solace in the present moment. This moment of calm is a blessing, allowing you to reflect on Allah's mercy and the tranquility He provides. Furthermore, this interaction can also be seen as a reminder of the importance of showing compassion and care to all of Allah's creatures. Taking a moment to gently pet the cat or simply acknowledging its presence with kindness can be an act of worship, reflecting the values of empathy and compassion that are central to Islam. It's a chance to demonstrate gratitude for the peace and comfort that Allah sends our way, often in the most unexpected forms. A reminder of Allah's creation. When a cat comes close to you, it serves as a powerful reminder of Allah's creation. Every creature, big or small, is a testament to Allah's infinite wisdom and creativity. Cats, with their unique personalities, grace, and behaviors, are part of this magnificent tapestry of life that Allah has created. This moment of connection with a cat is an opportunity to reflect on the diversity and beauty of Allah's creation. Each creature has its role and place in the world, and observing a cat can remind you of the intricate balance and order in the natural world. It prompts you to appreciate the variety of life forms and the unique characteristics that make each species special. The way a cat moves, its curiosity, and its instincts are all reflections of the divine artistry of Allah. Moreover, this encounter can deepen your sense of awe and gratitude towards Allah. Recognizing the perfection in a cat's design, from its sharp claws to its keen senses, can lead you to a greater appreciation of the Creator's power and majesty. It is a moment to ponder over the verses of the Quran that speak about the signs in the creation of the heavens and the earth and all the creatures within them. These signs are there to strengthen your faith and remind you of Allah's omnipotence. Additionally, a cat's behavior and its interactions with you can also teach valuable lessons about life and spirituality. For instance, a cat's independence and self-reliance can inspire you to be more self-sufficient, while its affection and loyalty can remind you of the importance of building trusting and loving relationships. These lessons, drawn from observing and interacting with one of Allah's creations, can help you grow both personally and spiritually. Furthermore, acknowledging and caring for a cat is a form of worship in itself. It is a way of fulfilling your responsibility as a steward of Allah's creation. Islam teaches that humans are caretakers of the earth and all its inhabitants. By showing respect and care for a cat, you are fulfilling this divine mandate and earning Allah's pleasure. In conclusion, when a cat comes close to you, it is much more than a mere coincidence. It is a moment filled with spiritual significance, reminding you of the magnificence of Allah's creation. It encourages you to reflect, appreciate, and grow in your faith, recognizing the divine wisdom in every aspect of the world around you. A lesson in patience and gentleness. When a cat approaches you, it offers a valuable lesson in patience and gentleness. Cats, by nature, are independent and often cautious creatures. Building a bond with a cat requires a slow and careful approach, teaching you to be patient and gentle in your interactions. This experience can be a profound reminder of the importance of patience in your daily life. Just as you need to be patient with a cat, allowing it to come to you on its terms, this principle can be applied to your relationships with people. Patience is a key virtue in Islam, emphasized in many teachings and verses of the Quran. It is a quality that helps you deal with challenges and frustrations, fostering a more peaceful and understanding approach to life. Moreover, gentleness is another critical aspect highlighted when interacting with a cat. Cats respond positively to soft and gentle actions. Harshness or impatience can frighten them and break the fragile trust they might have started to build. This serves as a direct analogy to how gentleness can positively impact your interactions with others. In the Hadith, Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, is often described as the epitome of gentleness, showing kindness and understanding in all his dealings. Emulating this behavior in your life can help you build stronger, more compassionate relationships. Additionally, the act of being patient and gentle with a cat can have a calming effect on you. It encourages you to slow down, to be more mindful of your actions, and to appreciate the moment. This mindfulness can reduce stress and promote a sense of inner peace. It allows you to connect more deeply with the present moment and with the world around you, fostering a sense of tranquility and well-being. Interacting with a cat can also teach you about the importance of respecting boundaries. Cats often set clear boundaries about when they want attention and when they need space. Learning to recognize and respect these boundaries can improve your ability to respect the personal space and needs of others. This respect for boundaries is a fundamental aspect of healthy relationships and social interactions. Furthermore, caring for a cat and showing it patience and gentleness is a form of empathy. It requires you to put yourself in the cat's position, understanding its needs and feelings. This practice of empathy can extend beyond your interactions with animals to your interactions with people, enhancing your ability to connect with others on a deeper emotional level. In conclusion, when a cat comes close to you, it is not just seeking attention or affection. It is offering you a profound lesson in patience and gentleness. By embracing this lesson, you can improve your relationships, reduce stress, and foster a more compassionate and understanding approach to life. This small moment of connection with a cat can have a significant impact on your personal and spiritual growth. A call to reflect on gratitude. When a cat comes close to you, it can be seen as a call to reflect on gratitude. This seemingly small interaction serves as a reminder of the countless blessings in your life, many of which are easy to overlook. In Islam, expressing gratitude is a fundamental practice that helps you recognize and appreciate the myriad ways in which Allah has bestowed His mercy and blessings upon you. The presence of a cat, with its soft purring and gentle demeanor, can bring a sense of joy and comfort. These moments of happiness, no matter how brief, are blessings from Allah. They are opportunities to pause and give thanks for the simple pleasures that enrich your life. This act of gratitude can transform your perspective, allowing you to see the world through a lens of appreciation and contentment. Gratitude in Islam is not just about acknowledging the good things in your life, but also about expressing thanks through your actions and words. When a cat approaches you, it's a chance to practice this gratitude by treating the cat with kindness and care. This act of compassion is a way of showing appreciation for the blessings you have received and can help reinforce a positive cycle of giving and receiving. Moreover, reflecting on gratitude can deepen your spiritual connection with Allah. The Quran frequently encourages believers to be grateful, reminding them that gratitude leads to an increase in blessings. By taking a moment to be thankful for the companionship of a cat, you are acknowledging Allah's presence and His role in providing for you. This mindfulness can strengthen your faith and enhance your spiritual well-being. Additionally, this moment of gratitude can extend to other areas of your life. Recognizing the joy that a simple interaction with a cat brings can make you more aware of the other small yet significant blessings in your daily life. It can inspire you to be more appreciative of the people around you, the opportunities you have, and the beauty of the world. Gratitude also has a profound impact on your mental and emotional health. It fosters a positive outlook, reduces stress, and increases happiness. When you take the time to be grateful, you shift your focus away from what you lack to what you have. This shift can lead to a more fulfilling and content life, where you are more resilient in the face of challenges and more optimistic about the future. In conclusion, when a cat comes close to you, it serves as a gentle reminder to reflect on gratitude. This small act of connection with a cat can open your heart to the many blessings in your life, encouraging you to appreciate and give thanks for the gifts you have received. Through gratitude, you can enhance your spiritual, emotional, and mental well-being, fostering a deeper sense of contentment and joy in your life. And there you have it, dear friends, 5 beautiful messages from Allah when a cat comes close to you. These moments are not just random occurrences, but are filled with deep spiritual significance and lessons that we can apply in our everyday lives. Next time a cat approaches you, remember to find comfort and peace, show kindness, reflect on the marvels of Allah's creation, practice patience and gentleness, and most importantly, express gratitude for the blessings in your life. I hope these insights bring you closer to understanding and appreciating the subtle ways Allah communicates with us. Thank you for joining me today, and may you continue to find wisdom and joy in all of Allah's creations. Assalamu alaikum, and take care.